Everything that moves is becoming more seamlessly connected. Cars, trucks, drones, teleoperated vehicles, even in our agricultural ecosystem. As industries are driving towards software-defined solutions and full autonomy, fast, reliable, and secure in-vehicle connectivity and network infrastructure are essential. As a trusted partner, Verizon can help you build a roadmap to deliver custom connected vehicle solutions, guiding you through testing, device certification, and network capabilities. When your solution is deployed, you can trust that our team of IoT experts offers 24/7 dedicated support. Whether you're implementing vehicle-to-everything solutions, rolling out firmware-over-the-air updates, streaming content, or providing in-vehicle Wi-Fi, the high speeds and ultra-low latency of the Verizon 5G network and our robust connectivity platform can help you get from where you are to where you want to go. Verizon is committed to moving connected vehicle technology forward. In collaboration with industry partners and facilities across the country, we enable real-time testing of connected vehicle solution components, devices, network, management, and applications, all in a safe and flexible environment. Whether your solution is ready to deploy or already at scale, Verizon's world-class connectivity and ThinkSpace end-to-end management platform power your on-the-move scenarios by leveraging global connectivity and eSIM technology for flexible network access, quality of service APIs for critical connection upgrades or remote intervention for autonomous and teleoperated vehicles, edge transportation exchange for cellular vehicle-to-everything, hyper-precise location for precision location tracking, and proactive security solutions to protect valuable system and customer data. Blaze a path to vehicle innovation with our unified ecosystem and global IoT connectivity. Power your connected and autonomous vehicles, in-vehicle systems, and automotive factories with Verizon's 5G network.